I've lost something that I'm looking for. My goodness, what did I do with that? Just spent a good like 5 minutes looking for something that was literally right in front of me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be something a little bit different. You can see most of my makeup is done except for the brows. So I decided today I wanted to try a brow pomade. Ooh, I'm so excited. I usually use pencils, so say a quick prayer for me that this doesn't totally bomb. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, tell your sisters, tell your friends, hit that notification bell so you alerts when I post new videos, and keep watching. Okay, so I got the Milani, I opened it, Milani Stay Put Brow Color. I got in 02 Natural Taupe. This is what it looks like. I tried out the color because I was like not sure what to do, and I just wanted to see how it looked. I think that this is going to be a little funny looking on me, but it'll be fine. I just realized I didn't put moisturizer on before I put my makeup on. Okay, so I'm a little nervous because I obviously have never used a pomade before, but I think I'm going to do like a fast forward in this video just so that we can see the progress kind of thing. I need a mirror. Okay, so I combed out my brows into like the shape that I want them in, and I'm going to kind of do a similar thing that I do when I use a pencil. Those look like a good shape, right? Should I zoom in a little bit more? Hello! Okay. Hi. We're really close now. Okay, so I think that looks like a good, decent enough shape. I'm gonna take a. Why did I buy that brush? Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna take a Morphe M165 slant like angled brush, and I'm just gonna like tip some into the lid like that, and then we're gonna just. I'm gonna start by lining the bottom like I usually do. Gotta make sure I don't like make these like super big, because I feel like that's like an easy mistake. I have no idea if this is gonna be faster or longer than I usually. I think this first time is gonna be longer, but that's really, really curved, and I already hate the way that looks. Just brush it up a little bit. I like a little bit more of an angle, or like a sharper angle than like a rounded angle, like a rounded turn. Does that make sense? Okay, that looks a little bit better. Let's do the other side real quick. Just like I always do. I like to match my brows as best I can. I'm trying not to block y'all's view. Why is my right brow always so much more difficult? Also, if you're watching this, sorry, that was really aggressive. Watch Abducted in Plain Sight. You're just gonna be like, what the? It was so frustrating, but like also watch it because like you're gonna be like, seriously? The whole thing. You're just gonna be like one big like, seriously? Seriously? Like all that. Okay, so I've lined the bottom. What do you think of that shape? I'm trying to keep my brows like neutral. Let's just keep going. Maybe I'll like insert like some cute music or something right here so that y'all aren't totally bored. I've never done that before, but you know, first time for everything. Like I'm like, I don't really have like hairs right here, but I like to bring the brow a little more forward. So I'm trying to like keep this like sparse right here. And I have like one rogue eyebrow here that probably needs to go. Okay, I actually like this color. I was concerned when I opened it. Like I don't have like brow hairs to like comb up right there, you know? Let me know in the comments if you have like tips and tricks for doing your brows, because I can use them. Okay, let's stop there. I'm gonna just take a spoolie and brush through them. It just seems like really thick and like heavy and like not natural looking to me, but it's probably just because I've never like really done it. So does it get more natural looking once you know what you're doing? Let me know in the comments. I just don't like the way that looks. Anybody out there like the way that looks? Let me know. I just wish that I need to make the front a little bit darker, I think. I think that's the problem. Maybe. Is that better? I don't think it's better. I'm gonna push through though. I'm gonna push through. Is this recording? I have like concealer in my brows apparently. Apparently I didn't blend that out very well, did I? Or something happened there. I don't know. Looks weird. Maybe it's my foundation. Can you still see, guys? I feel like I can't get like the curve that I like right here. I just haven't quite figured that out. I like this brow better so far, which never happens. That's a sassy brow. I like that. Look at that one. Dang. That's a brow. That's a brow. Wow, am I hot or does that blush look really pink? I don't know. Make my tail a little longer right there. Ooh, yes. Let's see if we can't fix this girl over here. This brow is the one I usually like better. So that's really interesting that I'm not really. Do you see what I'm looking at? Does this look weird to you? What am I doing wrong? Because they look better when I raise both my brows, but there's just something happening on this one that I can't figure out. That looks a little bit better. Okay, we're gonna call it quits there. Because honestly, I'm not really sure what I'm doing at this point, and I'm gonna need to like Google how to do this. Please let me know in the comments any tricks you have, because clearly I need to learn from y'all. Wow, this brush like holds onto a lot of product. Interesting. What's your favorite brush? This one was like $3, so I bought it because I like Morphe brushes. But I don't know if this one's just like too thick. Like the bristles are too thick, and I'm just not really. It just doesn't look clean to me. It just doesn't look like nice and clean and crisp to me, and it makes me uncomfortable. I don't know why I said it like that, but anyways. This brow pomade was super cheap, so like that's nice, but these brows, y'all. They just look really unkept. Is that the right word? I don't know. Thank you for coming by, you guys. This is a super short video. I know I'm trying to keep in, like, not cut out as much as I can, but I want this to be a short one, short and sweet and to the point, just like me. except for I'm tall and anyways, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up in the comments. Just kidding. Just give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your tips and tricks for using a brow pomade. Love a thumbs up if you like this video and these kind of like fun, like I'm trying new things kind of thing. Did I tell you to subscribe? Well, subscribe. Tell your sisters, tell your friends. Hit that notification bell so you get alerts when I post new videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.